How can we predict that who is getting what number of seats? You never know. We should leave it. A government has been given chance. They have worked for 5 years, and the party which was in the opposition has tried to stand by the people. The people of Meghalaya have seen their performance as well. Now every political party in a democracy has got the right and the chance to go to the people of the state and tell them what they did with their report card. Now let it be left to the judgment and understanding and the wisdom of the people to take a call when the result comes out on the 2nd of March. Alright? I am here, like I said, it's not a promise, it's a pledge. We have done it in West Bengal, we will do it in Meghalaya. We have ensured, and you'll be surprised to know, that when we went for polls, when we released the manifesto before the Bengal elections, our honorable chairperson said, we're only promising to give to one woman in every household. After coming to power in 3 months, she has made sure that every woman of the state is covered in that scheme. So it can literally happen in Meghalaya too, you never know. But that's for sure that every household, and one woman for every household will get a DPT of 1,000 rupees monthly and 12,000 rupees annually. And it will be the first decision that the cabinet will take, and it will not even take 100 days. It will be executed in the first 2 weeks after forming the government, I can assure you. You've seen the small clip that we played before revealing the manifesto. It's just not a mere document or a vision document or a book with 10 random promises. First of all, let me point this out at the outset that these are pledges, not promises. When a political party makes a promise, we all know how they are and whether those promises are being delivered and honored at a time when they form the government. When we make a pledge to ensure that till the last drop of our blood, we fight to ensure that they are being implemented to the last person we have promised this pledge to. So let me first take you all through the 10 pledges for peace, 10 pledges for prosperity, 10 pledges for Meghalaya's progress, and 10 pledges for Meghalaya's pride. What is Meghalaya TMC's vision for Meghalaya? Our mission in Meghalaya, as I've always said, is to turn this beautiful state into a model state across all sectors. The healthcare and education system will be revamped, the economy will be boosted for growth, the civic infrastructure will be made available for all, indigenous rights will be protected at all costs, and no decisions will be anti-people or taken without their consent. This document that we present before you today, this has aspiration of lakhs of Meghalayans. This document, as I said, is not just a mere document. It is a vision document to show the world what Meghalaya is capable of. And it has been prepared by the grassroots expertise of our workers, colleagues, leaders, and through an extensive consultation with the people across, from all walks of life. So with all due respect, with extreme grace and humility, I would thank him for believing in market rumors, like he allegedly claimed. It's very unbecoming of a chief minister to believe and listen to what the market agents and the market rumors are, and you hardly found time in the last 5 years to stand by the people of your state. So if you're only talking bad about the people of the state, you're ending up belittling the people of Meghalaya, you're ending up denigrating the people of this very state, you're ending up trash talking about your own colleagues. That is extremely unbecoming of a chief minister. So I can only tell him to concentrate in this campaign. Now NPP no more is National People's Party, it has become National Puppets Party. It is established, and it's only a matter of time when this My Development Alliance government is ousted and a true government which will work towards the all-round development of a state is established. It's only a matter of time. This proves that he is perplexed, he is bewildered, he is scared, and he is rattled. We are extremely serious about fighting elections wherever we go. You see, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Tripura elections are happening simultaneously at the same time. And we are also leaving no stone unturned wherever, as a General Secretary of the party, I can tell you that wherever Trinamool is starting their journey, we are leaving no stone unturned and fighting the election with all our might available at our disposal. Number two, the question you asked, that Trinamool has been labelled as an outsider party. You see, Mukul Sangma, Charles Pingrove, are they outsiders? I say this on record in front of camera, making a proper eye contact with you, that Meghalaya will be ruled by Meghalayans. Don't steal your side, sir. Meghalayans will be ruled by Meghalayans. Will BJP have the guts to come in Bengal and say Bengal will be ruled by Bengal? Will BJP have the guts to come to Bengal and say, will BJP have the guts, any national leader from BJP for that matter will have the guts to come to Meghalaya and say, Meghalaya will not be ruled from the ivory towers of Delhi or Guwahati. Meghalaya will be ruled from Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Let BJP come and say, I will apologize to every Meghalayan with folded hands. We will take all the stakeholders, their feedback, their suggestion into consideration. We will have a deliberate consultation with each and every resident of the state, everyone, and then come to a conclusion and do what is in best interest of the people of the state. That if you want to implement these 10 pledges, you will not incur any additional debt on the state exchequer. You only need to have that honest intent to work for the people. And starting from we scheme to my scheme, all these are not even 2%, 3% of the budget. So there will be no additional debt which will go and the onus will lie on the state government. You just need correct and honest intentions to do holistic and make sure that you're able to do all-round development and work for all phases of all walks of people across the state.